Hello folks, this is Volvo 2015 top charger. Looks like this. Just find the used turbo, usually 1500 brand new turbo like this, almost $5,000. So if you able to spend 5,000, go get the brand new one, used one. Used one usually they don't give you a warranty. Take a chance as that. And 1500 if you wanna save money, find your local stay, your area, truck used parts areas. And you can looking for the used parts for something like this, and definitely take a chance to save some money. This D13 power VNN model. Yeah, looks like that. Okay. That front has some numbers right there. It says E13 and number right there. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. So long. This is the turbo charger. T13 PNL model.